students, welcome to geography class. Let us start our today's class with a small activity. All of you come with me. For this activity, we need a container full of water, some beads and some peas. Okay, so take a container, fill it with water and close it with a lid. Put the water to boil. Now, let us put some peas and some beads on top of the lid. Now, let the water boil. As the water boils, the lid begins to shake. The things which we have put on the lid also shake, so vibrate. Okay. So students, what you have seen, as the water boils in the pot, the things that we put on the lid start to vibrate or shake slowly. Is it, students? Similarly, the lithospheric plate. What is lithospheric plate? The small slab-like plates under the crust. Under the crust and over the mantle. The plates are placed on just under the crust and over the mantle. Starts move. Why it move? As a result of the movement, the circular movement of the magma, molten magma. The molten magma moves in circular manner. As a result, the lithospheric plates also move slowly, very slowly. As the result of this movement, the surface of the earth also vibrates. So sometimes the pressure and heat of this molten magma will be very high. So the movement of the plates may be little faster or little stronger. So it will make great vibrations on the surface of the earth. And these vibrations spread over the surface of the earth and it is called as earthquake. So what is earthquake? The vibrations that happened on the crust area. And why these vibrations happen? Because of the movement of the plates, lithospheric plates. And why this lithospheric plates move? Because of the circular movement of the molten magma. So we can say it in an order like, when molten magma is under high pressure or heat, it moves. And this movement causes plates movement. And sometimes this plates movement make great vibrations on the earth's crust. That is called earthquake. So students, the earthquake may be in low variation and high variation. Okay, there may be huge vibrations or great vibrations. Small or slow vibration also can be there. When the vibration is high, it causes great destructions on the earth crust. Okay, students. So look at this, students. The place where the vibration starts. Okay. The place where the vibration starts, that is this in this picture. This place is known as focus. What will we call this place? Focus. The place where the vibration starts on the surface of the earth. It is called focus. And the place which is just above this focus, the place which is just above the focus on the surface is called epicenter. Okay, epicenter. So the place where the vibration starts is called focus and the place that is above this focus is called epicenter. From this epicenter, the vibrations move outward like waves. Okay, so from this epicenter, the vibration move outward to other places, from this place to other places in a wave form. Okay, in a wave form. When an earthquake occurs, the great destruction or great loss will be on this epicenter because it is the place which is nearest to the focus. Is it, students? The place which is very nearest to the focus is epicenter. And the great destruction or losses will be happen to this place. And the strength of the earthquake decreases from the epicenter or other places. Okay. So great destruction or great loss will be on the place which is nearest to the focus, and other places there will be vibrations and losses, but it will comparatively lesser than the epicenter. Is it clear, students? So students, the first result of a sudden force, sudden endogenous force is earthquake. And earthquake is small vibrations, small or huge vibrations on the surface of the earth. Is it clear? Okay, let's move to the second one. The second result is volcanoes. We all know that volcanoes are burning inside. What is burning inside the volcanoes? Of course, it is the magma. Okay, volcanoes are mountains. Okay, and inside it there is molten magma which is highly tempered and hot. It is burning inside. It has an opening vent or an opening on the surface of the earth. So students, imagine a mountain with an opening on the top. Okay, with an opening vent on the top, that is called volcano. So what will happen? When the magma is highly tempered and hot, the molten magma or burning magma coming out through this opening to the outside of this mountain, and these are called volcano. When the hot magma flows outside, it will destruct everything. You just imagine when a cup of boiled water, hot water is pouring on a plant, what will happen to that plant? It will destroy, is it? Like that, when the molten magma come out of the volcano, all the things around it, all the plants, trees and every creatures around it destroys. Okay, so these volcanoes are also destructive. So these are the main two results of a sudden movement or a sudden force which is coming from the inside of the earth. I hope it is clear now. Is it, students? We cannot predict these type of sudden movements of the earth. So this volcano eruptions or earthquake cannot be predicted. But there are some natural but not scientifically proved methods which predict the earthquake, such as fishes in the ponds get agitated, snakes come out to the surfaces, such as. So it is commonly says that the animals can give us some hints about the natural calamities or like earthquake, etc. So there is no scientifically proven prediction methods to predict earthquake or any other natural calamities. So students, in today's class we learned about the results of the endogenous sudden forces. That is, what is earthquake, why it happens, what is volcano eruption. So students, let me sum up what we have learned in the last two classes. The earth movements. The movements on the earth's surface can be classified into two. The first one is endogenic forces, that is the forces from inside the earth. The second one is exogenic. Okay, exogenic forces, the forces from outside of the earth. Okay, as a result of the endogenic forces, there will be earthquakes. Okay, earthquake, then volcano eruption, then landslides. Okay, landslides. And the exogenic forces, the forces which acts from the outside of the earth or the surface of the earth are, we learned, wind, river, glaciers. Okay, students. So, and we learned two new words related to earthquake. Which are they? First one is focus and the second one is epicenter. Okay, epicenter. What is focus? The place where the vibrations start. The place where the vibrations start. And what is epicenter? The place which is just above the focus. And on the epicenter, the destructions will be huge. Okay, students. So, here is the activity for you. All of you must find out the 5 major earthquakes. Find out the 5 major earthquakes that happened in India. Okay, find out the 5 major earthquakes that happened in India. Okay, so that's all for today. Catch you in the next class. Thank you.